Step 2. Installing attachment brackets. This procedure will be used for most of the multi-adjustable wheelchairs. Removing the wheels, look at the attachment point of the wheel's axle. When wheels remove, the multi-adjustable wheelchair shows this type of axle attachment, which allows the axle barrel position to be modified horizontally and vertically. The axle attachment on this kind of wheelchair can take several geometries, like this, or this, like this, or this, or this. This kit fits most of the multi-adjustment chair, but there are some exceptions where the structure does not provide sufficient space. If the structure does not provide at least 3.5 inches above or under the axle barrel location, or if the structure does not provide at least 2 inches horizontally, backward or frontward, then in this case, this installation kit cannot be used. In this case, you need the Mayan kit. This procedure covers 3 families of installation kits. These kits share the shown common parts, including 2 axle brackets, 2 stabilization bolts, 2 lock washers, and 2 nuts. This kit is the most common kit for the multi-adjustable class. We created subclasses for specific chairs. Here for the Cobalt and Kronos from Motion Composite. And here for the Helios and Platin from Motion Composite. Again, with 2 back plates that are included. The attachment plate shows the following features: an axle hole, a stabilization bolt opening, and 2 blocking boxes attachment points. When possible, we recommend to use a different opening for the left and right blocking box attachment. Now installing attachment brackets to the wheelchair.
Okay, so you could install it this way, or you could install it this way, or you could install it this way, or you could install it this way, depending on the space, the room that is available. Okay, so in this case, we're going to put it this way.
Using the proper tool, loosen the axle barrel nut. Apply some pressure on the back of the axle barrel to maintain the adjustment.
So you moved it ahead a little bit.
Remove the barrel's nut and the lock plate and install the bracket plate.
Thank you so much.
Put back the barrel's lock plate and nut and tighten. Now insert the stabilization bolt in the oblong hole.
No, they were both the same.
they were both this position.
On the back of the stabilization bolt, install the lock washer and the nut.
It's not school. Yeah, exactly. It's not school anymore.
Using the proper tool, tighten the axle nut. And the stabilization bolt. The same procedure to install brackets on both sides of the wheelchair.